Please come to Boston for the springtime. I'm staying in with some friends and they've got lots of room. You can sell your paintings out on the sidewalk by a cafe where I hope I'll be working soon. Please come to Boston, she said, no boy, come on to me. She said, hey rambling boy, why don't you settle down? 'Cause Boston, it ain't your kind of town. There ain't no gold and there ain't nobody like me, yeah. The number one fan of the man from Tennessee. Please come to Denver, then watch the snowfall. Move up into the mountains so far that we can't be found, and throw I love you echoes down the canyon. We can lie awake at night until they come back around. Please come to Denver, she said, no boy, come on with me. She said, rambling boy, why don't you come down? 'Cause that Denver ain't your kind of town. There ain't no gold and there ain't nobody like me, yeah. Number one fan of the man from Tennessee. Now this drifter's world, it goes around and round, and I doubt it's gonna stop. Of all the dreams I've lost and found, all I ain't got. Still need to lean to somebody I can sing to. Please come to LA, live forever. This California life is gone, it's too much to feel. I live in a house looking out over the ocean, and there are some stars that fell from the sky, living up on that hill. Please come to LA, and she said no, come on to me. She said, hey rambling boy, why don't you settle down? 'Cause that there LA, it ain't your kind of town. There ain't no gold and there ain't nobody like me, yeah. Number one fan of the man from Tennessee. Number one fan of the man from Tennessee.